Today I'll teach you a quick and easy way to make skin look smoother in Photoshop. First, get rid of any spots or marks. Then make a copy of the main picture layer by pressing Ctrl+J. After that, press Ctrl+I to flip it. Switch the layer's blending option from normal to vivid light. After changing the blending option, click on Filter, and then Other. Inside Other, you'll find the High Pass option. Adjust the setting until everything looks smooth and well blended. In this case, a setting of 22 works really well. Next, click on Filter again, then Blur, and choose Gaussian Blur. Adjust the setting until you can see the skin texture. In this case, a setting of 2.5 works really well. Press OK. Finally, hold down the Alt key, or Option key on a Mac, and click on the Mask button to create a negative mask. This will make a black mask. Select the Brush tool. Make sure the color is set to white and zoom in. Then carefully paint over the skin. Be careful not to paint too close to the edges. And that's it! Here's the final result, and here's what it looked like before. If it looks like too much, you can always reduce the opacity to make it more subtle. I'll set it to 70, and that looks good. Done. So that's how you can do it.